Okay, hi everybody. So I'm back from the dollar store, Dollar Tree it was. And I'm here not only to show and tell with you, but also with Debbie, because she hasn't seen any of this stuff yet. So I know.
Shopping without me today.
I know. So we have to try Debbie found this other Dollar Tree that she said has got tons of stuff. And the one I went to today usually doesn't have much. So I'm really excited to see the one that she found because who knows what they've got. Anyway, and I'm hoping you can see these without the glare. These are the stamps that I got. And like I was saying, I don't usually buy these from the Dollar Tree, but I saw somebody using them the other day and they came out great. So I thought, what the heck, for $1, I'm gonna try it and see. And then these are the thing that I'm really interested in. Let's see if we can get the thing to open up here. They're metal. I think they said they're metallic, so I'm assuming they're metal. Let's see. Yeah, they are. They're real lightweight metal. They're kind of cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
These kind of, I don't want to say it, but these kind of in a way remind me of somebody else's stuff that I see at the at the craft stores. But they're really cute, I think. I think you could do a lot with them. When I saw them, I just kind of, as you saw on the video that I shot at the dollar store, I got real excited about it. And the little bugs and everything, the butterflies, cute, cute, cute. And these are really neat. Take these out because I don't know if the glare is too bad. Come on. These two are metal.
Oh yeah, those are.
I don't know what that thing is. I guess it's just the manufacturer thing. But yeah, are they cool or what?
Yeah.
You know, they kind of remind me of that stuff that we used to get down in Mexico. You know, the metal mirrors and stuff that they used to have. But I think these could be cute. I mean, I don't have anything in mind right off the bat to make with them, but here's what we thought we'd do. Since we found so much of this stuff, this is my favorite. Since we found so much of this stuff, we're thinking this weekend we're going to do a video where we're going to make a whole bunch of items using the stuff that we got at the Dollar Tree. I think it'd be kind of fun, and if you can get them out of the package. But these are really cool, and you know, they're plastic. Well, the little frames are metal, but the other part is plastic, and but done really well. I mean, I'm amazed at the quality of it. I know.
Right?
That's what I thought. You know, the Eiffel Tower and the little bird cage with the rose, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but super cute. And I mean, like I say, the quality is unbelievable, and they're real sticky. I don't even think you'd have to add glue. Maybe we'll see when we try to make something, but heck. And then it came with the hearts. And then these are really cute. These are flowers, and I wasn't going to get these. I thought, oh, I probably wouldn't use those. And then the more I saw them, the more I loved them. I thought, oh, these are really cute. But look at those little daffodils and stuff. The colors are so cute, and like I say, the quality is like, I can't believe it.
I can't either.
So needless to say, I got tons of those. And then here's the other flowers. They're really pretty too. Yeah, don't you think, Deb?
Yeah, hibiscus.
Yeah, really cute. And then again,
I like these.
I know, Debbie was all impressed with these. They had, and like you saw in the video, they had other styles. I want to go back now and get more. But anyway, to make clusters and stuff with, or just use them for stickers on something, really cute. And again, they're really great quality. The graphics and everything is really outstanding on them. And here's another one that I got. Cute. I hope it's not too glary. And then, besides that, these are the envelopes that I got, the little coin envelopes. I am going to go back and get more of these because if they run out, I'll be very sad.
Let me see. I like the little ones.
Yeah, aren't they neat?
Yeah.
I think they're 2 1/4 by 3 1/2 or something like that.
Oh yeah, they're nice because they're lightweight. They're not.
I
too
know,
heavy.
and they're not that dark cardstock color. They're not too yellow. You know,
Right.
some of them you see are so yellow. But oh yeah, you're right. These are nice
Yeah,
quality.
Really good for journaling.
Yeah, perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. And then they had some of the Velcro dots, so I got some of those. And then these guys, I'm going to go back and get more of these too. I don't know why I didn't. I guess I was so carried away in there. I thought, good grief, how much am I spending? But as it turns out, I got all this stuff for like $23. I can't believe it.
Wow.
Yeah, I think that's a good deal.
Yeah.
You get 6 of these. They had larger sizes, but I think this is a cool size.
Yeah,
These
we
are-
looked at
these are not
making
as
a
easy.
little journal or something out of those, weren't we? Didn't we see a video of
Yes.
somebody was making a
Yeah,
journal
right,
out of
right. We
those?
were thinking about doing it. And then these came in a set of 3, and I think these are too cute. These little composition books. And like Deb said, gosh, you could make a cute little journal out of this, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe tea dye the pages, you know, with a brush so that you don't have to dip them in anything. And then I couldn't help it, I got a little stamp square. We have some, but I don't think we have any of that little.
No.
And this is that sketchbook that I showed you guys. It's medium weight paper, but it's pretty. It's, you know, it's not real heavy, but I think to put it in a, you know, decorate it, put it in a journal would be cute. And I liked it because I love this edge that it has. And if you don't have the punch to do that, this gives you that same look, you know, and you can just remove the little binder thing. And then I got envelopes, but Debbie informed me we don't need any envelopes really
yeah.
because we have millions.
I have to call intervention.
Now we
Hoarding
Yeah,
envelope
right.
intervention.
Really?
Oh my God, I'm like, envelopes.
I don't know. I just got caught up in the festivities down there. You know, it's because usually you go in there and they have diddly squat. You know, they don't have hardly anything. Anyway, the one down here by us. That's why I'm excited to go over to see this one that Debbie found because she said it's the best one she's ever been to.
Yeah, I've found like really cute lace ribbon.
Yeah, see, they didn't
stuff
have any
there.
kind of ribbon
Yeah.
today.
It's hit or miss. Sometimes, you know, they have
Yeah.
ones, sometimes not. But
Yeah.
it's kind of fun to be able to get some things
Right.
without spending a lot of money. I think,
Right.
too.
And I
You
think
know,
these are
everybody-
the quality of them and the styles are so cute. I think we could make something really cute.
Yeah, definitely.
And then this is that little shopping list.
Oh, I love
And
that picture.
I
I'm
know, I do
definitely
too.
doing something with
Yeah, me too. Tomorrow I'm going to coffee dye several of these papers that we got today. And but I thought this could be cute, you know, if you wanted to do just a little tiny dot of color on them or whatever. Maybe a little piece of fabric, little tiny pieces of fabric. I don't know. Who knows? But I thought they were really cute and they would add some interest to your journals or cards or whatever that you happen to be making. So anyway, this is just a little add-on to the video that I shot earlier, and I hope it came out okay for you to see because it was kind of hard. They have everything so jammed in there. You know, I mean, like tons of stuff in front of each other that aren't the same, you know, so you have to dig through and one-handed. And my first time ever doing a video by myself, I was like, eek. But anyway, I think it came out okay. We got some cute stuff. So this weekend, like I say, we're going to shoot a video and see what we could come up with using all this stuff as our main supplies. So we'll see you then.